This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Hi, good morning, Jannatul. Can you hear me?
Yes. Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good. So is it a good time to talk?
Yeah, I can talk for like 10 minutes. I have a break right now.
Right? Okay, sounds good. So I would like to go over a position. I sent you the job description, but I was looking for your resume. If it is not your updated resume, after this call, please send me the updated resume, then we can discuss more details. So this position is they're looking for a cloud ops engineer between the on-premises and all the cloud application. Though currently the applications are most of the application on premises, but the upcoming future applications they're developing, it will be on the cloud. Multiple cloud the vendor is using, and the focus is AWS, but also some of the teams are using the Azure. So they're looking for somebody good at AWS, but also open to learn the new cloud, the platform as well. So with that, are you comfortable with if you want to learn the new cloud platform?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm good at AWS, but I'm open to learn on Azure and other cloud platforms.
Okay, great.
That's exciting.
So let's check some of the basic questions. Are you authorized to work in the USA?
Yes, I do.
Okay, do you need currently or in the future the sponsorship from any employer?
Oh no, I don't.
Okay, good. So now where are you currently located?
Currently I'm located in New York.
Okay, and what type of work do you do now? Is it the remote or the hybrid?
It's a remote position.
Okay, great. This position will be hybrid. The hybrid, not the weekly hybrid, it will be the quarterly hybrid. I think we were told that there will be quarterly the planning meeting, and you will have to participate the quarterly planning meeting for a week, and you have to actually fly to Las Vegas. That's actually the headquarters is. So is this something you are interested?
Yeah, that sounds okay. I can do that.
Got it. Okay. So as for the compensation, what are you looking for to move to the next position?
I would say what exactly the company is offering right now. Can I know that first?
Yes. So the company has a range. It is between the $55 to $58 hourly on W-2.
I actually need some time to think about it.
Okay.
That sounds okay.
Okay, sounds good. As for the how soon can you join?
So my project is ending soon. So I would say end of this month, I'll be able to start working the new position, like in between, like in 2 weeks.
Sure. And then are you actively interviewing with other companies?
Yes. Since I mentioned my project is ending, so yeah, I am.
Sure. How is your interview coming along?
Yeah, it's good. It's pretty good.
Did you make any commitment with anybody? Are you waiting for any offer letter from any company?
Not yet, but I'm working on it. Yeah.
Okay. And as for why are you leaving your current company?
Yeah, as I mentioned, the contract is ending soon. So yeah, that's why I'm looking for the new opportunities.
Okay. And the quick couple more questions. So what are you exactly looking for from the new project? Like what type of work environment or you're looking for?
Of course, I would say I want somewhere where I can grow and learn new technologies, and also like position wise, I'm looking for a remote position. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Okay. So in the current role, can you just tell us about your day-to-day activities?
Yeah, sure. So in my current role, sorry. So in my current role, so what exactly I do is like, I'm part of the DevOps engineering team, and we have the operation team, system engineering team, and we all work together, and we actually maintain and lead the the development, which is an ongoing and current application, which is in the production. And my responsibility is to maintain all the cloud-based applications and services. So we are using AWS, as I mentioned. So all the latest development happening in AWS, and some of the integration we are getting from the data from on-prem. And I'm the handyman for most of the users of the AWS services, and such as like load balancer, auto scaling, security group, IAM, EBS, and CloudWatch. And for deployment, the development team follow the Agile Scrum. We have like 2 weeks sprint. Actually, the deployment happened for test and staging on daily basis. And the deployment was manual before, but now we are more going for like towards automation. And I actually prepared the CI/CD pipeline using the GitLab. Some of the applications we are using are Jenkins, and some of the application we use are using like monolithics, and recent applications we are doing our microservice, which is developed on cloud. So the software stack, we are using our Python-based software stack. Also, we are using PHP, Java, Node.js, and some of the application started using the .NET, but I haven't used it yet. And for my deployment, all monolithic we are using for the front end is in AWS cloud. Also, the managed database is in AWS cloud. Staging environment, we are managing our on-prem, and we have a diverse environment. Yeah.
Okay, sounds great. What project did you work on?
I worked microservice.
Okay, sounds good. So I think you mentioned you are working on the microservice-based platform now and on the cloud. Can you tell us more a little bit of what are the services that is being developed? What is in general the application is working, and what is the contribution?
So for the application I work, it has like 1 front end and 5 back end. So as I mentioned, it's a microservice. So the backend is on Python and Node.js based, and the front end is actually on React Native. And we have a mobile app as well. Mobile apps has been used Flutter. It's like a cross-functional development. So what happened in the field users, we get all the tasks assigned on their mobile app. So once they do the work, they can actually take the screenshots and update in the app. So the manager can see and complete the task. So another is the field user. So they do not need to come to the office. They actually do their attendance from the mobile app. And as for user management, there is a tool on the web portal. One is the operation team, and operation teams means where a new company can create it. And this is the SaaS-based services. Many mid-size company and the small company, they do not have the application and services to manage their some field employees. So they actually take the SaaS-based application service and provide their information. It actually follows the regular process to get the approval. So a company account gets created, company managers access their web-based application, and they create the users, and the field users actually can download the app and start using the application. So as per the service, we do not know the services, but most of them are like delivery companies, electric companies use the application and provide the service, so that the manager can manage their field employees. At the same time, the managers can sync up between the field employees and the manager's side of the task. So it is based on the semi microservice, not like fully microservice. It has the Postgres as the database. Users authentication is already all the users activities, and typically the user 0 means the operation users, and the type 1 means the all employees in the company users. As per the user creation, user update, and user deletion, user authorization, all these are controlled from the user services.
So how this microservice works internally? You mentioned the 5 of the backend, how the attendance service work with the user management service. Like do you guys use any message broker, or it is the RESTful API communication?
It's a RESTful API communication.
Okay, so there is no message. And you said it is semi. What does the semi means here? What do you mean semi microservices? Okay, so how many databases you have for this platform?
1.
Okay, so did you mean the hybrid or semi means one database, but the services are separated?
Yes.
Okay, so all right. As for, okay, so did you deploy all of the platform, the entire platform?
Yes.
Okay, so why not you walk me through the deployment process on the development environment? How you guys do the deployment on the development environment? I think you, how many developers develop this application? All right, so you have mentioned you have created the CI/CD pipeline using the GitLab. Can you please walk me through the process? How did you create the pipeline, and how many pipeline you have created for your project?
I cannot.
Okay. Yeah. So you said the team is leading the development team, not the leading. Word leading is not the correct word. It will be, we are supporting the various development team to deploy the code. Okay. And I think you mentioned microservices on the cloud. You will say the microservice architecture, but deployment on the cloud. It is not wrong that you can develop the microservice in the cloud, but if someone start digging into this, you will get caught because you don't know how the whole thing work.
Okay.
Good. And of course, you have not mentioned the number of team member works in a team. And you have not mentioned your participation in the planning meeting. And then you actually bring the tools right away instead of the project, which was the main focus would be. Instead of the semi microservice, you will call the hybrid microservice. And a database creation, you can call yourself, you can create the database as you know, but you can mention the database team, dedicated database team as well to create the database and support you as needed. You can deploy. Okay, those actually I have written as you are talking.